uthi uNamhla Thuli Phongolo uthi uMaphoyisa bekamshaya beka-abusive. Cabanga nje. So uthi yena if angastop ukuba abusive uMaphoyisa mangajola, maybe bangashada, maybe bangampha ney'ngane perhaps, maybe, yabo. So uthi yena uMaphoyisa that's why athathe iy'moto zakhe nemali ade mpha yena 200k for intombazane allowance. Just imagine a month 200k. That's why Maphoyisa bamthanda kanjena. That's why even le Jima Shikwa re twekela phori, re twekela Maphoyisa. Ondla abantu abaningi Maphoyisa. Maphoyisa is doing a lot of things. As a song without Maphoyisa is not a song, guys. But Maphoyisa, pero Maphoyisa is a hit producer. Pero ingoma bayino Maphoyisa shama hit strong. Yabo. So lo mntana lona mfethu, man. Why us are posting into isong Maphoyisa? Into bangayilungisa boy too private. Bayikhulume private. Why baze bayipost social media manje ko Twitter manje. So song manje sanindaba sizenza nama video ngabo. Into isomele zikhulunywe private. Babe manje badala kabi kunathi labantu. Yibona ngabe sifunda kubona. How can labantu baba ama role model labantu kodwa if abakwazi ukuziphatha? Mele bafuna ukuziphatha. As umuntu must know how to take care of yourself. Uziphathe, hold yourself. Guys. Yeah. Pero uMaphoyisa waqala kudala phela indaba music. Waqala with this band. I think it's band, but I think bakayi drama lapho. Libathi Uhuru. I think it's cabanga bashabo khona, cabanga ikhona amafikizolo. Beno Maphoyisa phakathi. Le ngoma became a hit because beno Maphoyisa phakathi. Ngiyabona ama vocals kamafikizolo but without Maphoyisa that song would have been a fart in the wind. Bezovela bomsuzo nje emoyeni. Ngiyatshela. Why so uNamhla? Why so angaphi Maphoyisa ingane? Yazi abantu manzane batshela ukuthi ngupha indoda ingane umphe igolide or whatever. Like us phela amantombazana amithe labo amabhara baluza ama low life like us. Like us amantombazana amithe la ama low life, they meet ama low life ubheke abantu abanabantwana like us abasebenzi. 95% of them they are not working. Ungamlala kanjani nomuntu without a condom, umuntu ongasebenzi wazi kahle ukuthi akasebenzi akaphandi akana YouTube channel njengami, is not a content creator njengami. Umuntu ulale naye nje, umuntu ongena goal in life, umuntu ocela abantu amathula e-shop then uyamithela. Amantombazana ninjani kanti? Yazi ngitshela ukuthi amantombazana they say girls are smart. Is that being smart? Guys, ngeke. Teenage friends, ubona umntwana abanye mamithe naManigeria, ubona ingane kuma ngathi ikhanda lakhe ngathi box lementshisi. Bonda madoda Why ni so mantombazana? Like, hey Maphoyisa skipela ama-hit man, skipela ama-hit. Sifuna ukuzwa ama-hit from you now. What we hear hits from you. Yabona? Yeah, wena Thuli Phongolo uqhubeka le. Usa-actor nje kujeration umntana. Is she still acting? Acting yakhe swag these days. Since abe-influencer lokatweka manje. Looks like lokatweka. Yena iset yakhe DJ right. It's fine. Sizobathi ufundise uMaphoyisa uku-DJ. Really DJ nonsense la mntana yo. Hayi ngathi ama-DJ skills yakhe wathola ku-YouTube. Hayi man, DJ nonsense la mntana. La mntana, the only thing about la mntana yibunu kuphela. It's not beautiful that girl. Yibunu kuphela, amadoda athanda yibunu lapha. I'm sure uMaphoyisa naye uthe babheka la mntana ubona yibunu. Wathi wabona le yibunu yana, wathi hayi ngizofaka i-BBL zibe zinkulu. Yabona? Because ama-celebrity amabhaya bajole la mantombazane just because they want to get married. Bajole la mantombazane because bafuna ukuchoma. Bafuna ukuchomela abo Casper, bafuna ukuchomela abo bani, bafuna ukwenza izinto zabo zima nomona. Babona ukuthi they've arrived, bafikile la begaming. Instead of focusing on the music, they're focusing on these slay queens about Saint Butch. I want to balance with all the Saint Butch this manje. Ama safe tape amangaka. Sex tape ngeke madoda la mntana uyaphi. Guys, subscribe to the channel. Ngizo lo ngitshela into eyi-1 abantu subscribe.